And this is the files for our application. As you can see here, all the classes are sorted in their respected files. The controller file for class for the controlling fxml file, database for saving data, the model for the main classes, singleton database for loading and saving data, and the main for running. We also have the fxml to shape the application, our application. And for our UML diagram, here we have the main class customer with 3 subclasses that extended from this superclass with their overridden functions and their respective builder. And here's the item class with 3 DVD, movie, and game subclass with a special attribute and also their builders. And also notable is the our singleton database, which we implement the singleton pattern that helps us save and load data. Okay, so on to the application. Chao and the others will take you on the tour of MediaMart. Okay, Chao, please.
So we're going to MediaMart. So this is a login page, and you need to have and this is a sign page. So I will give input name, address, phone, then username and password, and that will take me to the menus. That will take me to the menu scene. And as you can see, I'm still a guest, so there's only one kind of item I can rent, which is 1 week, and I have to top up 10,000 to do it, and I will successfully rent, and again I will rent again and successfully again. But for the third time, I cannot rent more than 2 times. And about the reason that Linh will explain.
Okay, so to promote to a regular account to rent more items, we will go to the user's profile where it will display all the data, including personal information about their account and a list of the items that they rent. So whenever they want to return an item, they will press the return button in the same row with that item. And when they return, the number of returned items in their account will be updated. So we're now a guest account. We need to return more than 3 items to promote to regular and be able to view more items with 2 days loan type. So here's the items menu, and we can search on the search bar for the menu. And if the user wants to update their information, they will go to the profile and press update information, and they can change any of their information, but the username needs to be unique and the phone number must be valid as well. So now Khang will demonstrate about the admin account.
Hi everyone, so now I will demonstrate more about the admin account, but before that I'll have to increase this account into VIB, and then I check it at the database if it is in the database from admin scene. So I will rent more item. So here, and I return it until it reach the maximum of more than 5 items. It will become the VIB. As you can see, now it is 5, and I have to rent more because the constraint is more than 5. Then it becomes the VIB, and this display the VIB here. And when I rent more, the reward point will increasing until the state that it reach 100. Then I can have a free rent account with no money charge. And come back to the admin scene. I will see the database if it is in there by pressing the password 125 12345. And here, as you can see, this is the new account here, and the state is VIB, and here is the list of ID. And at the first scene is the item management, and I will talk more about the feature of this and when we talk later about the customer. So here we can search the account, right, by ID or title, and we can sort this by using the interface of the table view, and then we can display all stock item and display again the old item. And we can add more item, add new item. I mean, add, for example, game, Valorant. We're going to see. Today, available. Okay. And it's noted the new game is created. And we can add new stock. If we not select a role, it's noted for me that we have to select before add new stock. For example, here we add more like 50 stock, so it's increased to 82. And it's noted as new stock arrived. And here it delete item. If I delete it, it will go out of the table. Or if I update it to something new like game here, into new game, it will successfully update the item. And now Wang will talk more about the customer management.
Thank you, Khang. Next up, we'll be talking about the customer management. First, we'll be able to sort all the data in there. Okay, up and down. Okay, we sort it, and we can also search for any accounts in the table view. We can also add an account. Okay, so we'll determine if this is a regular or a guest. In order for us to determine the reward points. For example, if I choose the regular account type, I could not choose the or enter the reward points, but when I choose VIP, it is possible. So let's just create an account. Okay, I successfully add a new account. Okay, additional contrast to add account, we can also delete accounts. So one of the feature we have here, we can be able to delete accounts. The 7C017. Yes, we deleted the C017. Okay. When we delete it, it will return the number of copies. And we'll also be able to update. We're able to update the accounts. When we select it, yes, we'll be able to update, rename it, anything. So that's all for customer management. I'll be talking more about when we will close the program and where it will save the file. We'll now close it, and everything will be saved in two separate text files. For one for customer and one for customer, one for items. All the I think all the categories will be separated by a commas. And when we load and this text file will be used to load when we run the program. Everything will be in display here. Okay, that's it for our demos. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.
Ok.
Giờ gửi ngay lên YouTube đi.